Okay, so the first point to go through is the View Completed Tasks option that's been added to the Tasks area. This function has been added with the view to allowing you to be able to see the tasks that you have completed against your user account, but also tasks that have been completed by other users as well if you have access to view their tasks. So on selection of View Completed Tasks, you're given a date range option. By default, it will set the to date as today's date, and it will look to give you last 7 days as a date range. But if you want to, you can obviously adjust that from date to another date option, so that gives us a wider range. If we hit OK there, what it will see is it load through the completed tasks that this user has delivered over the course of that date range. If we extend the size of the table so to show 50 entries, you get more feel for it. And obviously we have a completed date column that's been added now to the table as well when you're doing this view, so you can obviously sort by completed date. And it just gives you a feel for obviously the tasks undertaken by this user. If you wanted to go back, you've obviously got a back option here for the uncompleted tasks, so what's currently outstanding, and that takes you back. And if we step back to 10, and if we change the user, say, let's change it to another user, and then if we view the complete tasks for that user, say within that same date range, you'll see that obviously you'll see completed tasks for that date range in there. And obviously you can then hit back again just to see the outstanding tasks for that user. So that covers the View Completed Tasks option that's now been added to tasks.